Archaeologists have a number of tricks for telling the age of historic bottles. Though this bottle doesn't have a maker's mark, its shape, lip, and bottom are all clues to how old it is. While the oldest bottles were free-blown, bottle makers began using molds to shape bottles in the 18th century. This bottle has one seam around its center and two leading up to its closure, indicating it was made with a three-piece mold. These were common from 1820 to 1920. The lip of the bottle also provides a clue. Prior to the 20th century, it was common for a string of glass to be added to the lip of a bottle. This bottle has an applied tool finish, which means the glass was applied to the neck by hand, and then a tool was used to shape it. This process is visible in the uneven shape of the lip and because the mold seams don't extend all the way to the opening of the bottle. These finishes were common between 1858 and 1915. This time period is corroborated by the bottom of the bottle, which is known as a snapcase base. Prior to the invention of machine-made bottles in the 1890s, molten glass was held by a tool during the bottle-making process. One such tool was the snapcase, which was commonly used from 1857 to 1903 and leaves a dot on the bottom of the bottle. Dark olive green bottles commonly held wine in the 19th century. This wine bottle was found at the corner of Virginia and South Franklin Streets. It was likely used by one of the earliest residents living there, as the first house on this block appears around the 1870s.